Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense. My name is ESL Rockfish, and today we're going to do a pronunciation request for two words that can be tricky to pronounce. So come on. Our first word is R-A-C-E. That's pronounced race. Race. The E makes the A say its name because of the magic E rule, okay? So the long A, but the C is pronounced as a soft C, as a S. Race. Why is it a soft C? Because the E makes the C soft, so it's an S sound. Race. What's a race? A race is a competition to see who is the fastest. I'll race you to the tree. Race. But race is also a group of people with common physical or genetic traits. Oh, a race of people. Yes. Got it. Now, R-A-I-S-E is pronounced raise. Raise. Yeah, I know. It looks like it should be race because the S is there. But this combination, R-A-I-S-E, we pronounce it like there is a long A, of course, because the A-I vowel combination. But the S-E is a Z. So it's raise. Raise. What's raise? Well, raise means to lift something up. I'm going to raise my hands. Or let's raise the roof. You hear that in a lot of songs. Or to increase something. We're going to raise your wages. Ah, well, thank you. I love when I get raises. Ooh, that's fun to say. Raises. Then to collect or gather. We're going to raise some money for a good cause. Raise. It's got that zzz at the end. You got to feel it. Zzz. Can you do it? Zzz. Yeah, it's that little vibration. Raise. Let's review. Race. Raise. Raise. Why does English have two words and oh so many words that are oh so close and yet totally different in meaning and slightly different in pronunciation? I don't know, but now you can read and pronounce this sentence, I hope. Bill's spirits were raised when his horse won the race. What? Come on, English. Can you make a sentence with race or raise? Or do you have a pronunciation request? You do? Leave it in the comments. Peace, friends.